What's going on, guys? Chasz and Chasz back, another video for y'all. Y'all see, I posted 2 videos back to back. I have posted at least, I'll say maybe 3 weeks, maybe. So giving y'all a treat, man, doing some back to back filming. I hope everybody's doing fine through this whole quarantine ordeal. Hope y'all are really practicing social distance. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. I really don't know what to say, man. It's just a lot of things are changing, and praying for all y'all, man, and I hope y'all do the same for me, and I just wish the best for everybody, man. Today I'm going to be doing something out of the norm. I really don't like using real big baits, but this bait right here, man, I've been looking on Instagram, and I've been seeing people catch monsters. I mean monsters with this thing, so I just had to freaking try it. I'm going to be using the Googan bait trench hog. This is the green pumpkin color. And if you guys know about that trench hog, man, this thing is like, it's pretty huge, man. I'm not used to using the big 6-inch soft plastic like this, but I'm gonna give it a try, man. I've been seeing people catch monsters. I initially went in looking for the watermelon red flake color, but this green pumpkin worked just as good, and it is gonna have to do. Second, that airtail rattler by Grande Bass, and this is the trophy hunter color. This thing is pretty awesome too, man. I know in the springtime a lot of the darker baits are usually the go-to. This thing, man, it also has a scent to it as well. I'll open this pack, and it has like a garlic scent to it, man. And y'all know the Googan bait has like somewhat of a licorice smell, and I'm just using these 2 baits today, guys, and we're gonna get it going. Guys, I'm hooked up. I'm hooked up. Take this card. Oh, shit, that want to go through? Okay. Alright, try this. That is a nice bass. Mr. Chasz, your cost decline. Man, a nigga felt so broken like that kid up in them blinds, slightly embarrassed. My life to cherish. You win some and you lose some. Single life until you married. Damn, was on the verge to get that college. Guys. My mama told me bust my ass, cause son, this college ain't free. And this is another thing, guys. Usually post spawn or the fall time, when these bass start getting aggressive and want to aggressively feed again, always, well, you don't have to, well, not always, but it's a tool that you can use. Follow these birds. These birds give away bait fish like no other. And wherever their bait fish are, trust me, there's hungry bass hanging out. That bird over there is beautiful. Enough, the simple things. Guys, as much as I hate to end this, I completely forgot that I had something to do today. They completely slipped my mind. As y'all can see right now, the trench hog is the go-to bait. So that nice monster I did catch off of that. But yeah, man, I have to come back tomorrow and give it a go. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Well, shit, I spit that eat the vibe. What's going on, YouTube? I told y'all I'll be back. This is day 2. Y'all see where I'm at? This is actually day 2 of only using the trench hog and a little Grande Bass rattler, trophy hunter color. But I've decided to throw 2 new bait tan, and I think these things are pretty awesome. I think they may work, but it's gonna be my last resort, not gonna lie. Got the little underspin with the Ray swimmer on there, little shad imitation. Also got the drop shot with the Morning Dawn zoom drop worm on there. It's pretty juicy as well. Y'all know about the trench hog. This is what I'm gonna be starting off with. Hook y'all up to the GoPro. Get it going. Oh yeah, that's a good 4 right there. Maybe 3.5.
Yeah, maybe 3.5. Oh, I'm sorry to take that fish from you.
I caught plenty. It's all right. I give it 3.8.
3.74. You're really
Close.
3.72.
Oh, hit. Just got caught. There we go. There we go. Guys, this sun is out here. This sun is on fleek, guys. So y'all can see I got this cover on. Also bought out the Polarized, I'm sorry. But yeah, guys, we'll go ahead. Get this guy back in the water. Good pounder. I think he's got it. Yep, he got it. There we go. Oh, come on, I'll run. Oh, he went to the bushes. Come on. There we go. That is a heavy fish, guys. This is not a bad fish, guys. Very beautiful fish. See that? Go ahead, get her back in the water. What's up, y'all? I'm back. As y'all can see, man, the trench hog, it puts in some work, man. It really does. The only thing that I really don't like about it is the fact that it's super long. So you can lose a lot of fish if you're not dealing with a longer hook. I definitely recommend a 4/5. But yeah, man, trench hog definitely put in work today. Nice, good 2 days of fishing, even though my first day was cut short. I hope y'all like this 2-video back-to-back special, man. I hope everybody's staying safe once again through the coronavirus pandemic. Just stay positive, man. Stay positive. Everything will be back to normal in no time. It's Chasz and Chasz, and thanks for watching.